Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take you through the crochet items. You're a beginner, you want to start crocheting, this is what you need to start with. Let me take you through guys. So first we have these are crochet hooks in different sizes. You can see here crochet hooks in different sizes with plastic handles. Okay. I have these ones too. They're also crochet hooks in different sizes. Next, these are crochet needles. You can see we have 3 of them, 2 of the same size and one bigger one. Next we have these are row counters. You can see we have this, they have numbers on them. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so they can help you to mark your stitches. Next we have these are stoppers. Next we have, in case you don't want your stitches to move, you can use these ones. We shall see how they work. Next we have these are stitch markers, 10 of them, stitch markers. And then next we have these are also stitch markers. They're also also in different sizes. We have these are the smaller ones and then these are the bigger ones. Next we have this is a cutter that you'll use to cut your yarn. In case you want to cut something, in case you're done with yarning and you want to cut, this is what you use. Next we have this is used for measuring. We shall use it for measuring. Let me see. And this side also. The centimeters start from 0 to 150. And then the inches start from 0 to 60. So we shall use this one for measuring. Next we have these are cable stitch makers. We shall see what they will do. We shall see what to use them for. The 3 different sizes. Next we have this hope you're seeing it properly. This can help you to hold your yarn when you're yarning. Put it here on your finger as you're yarning, like this. Can help you to hold this. Beginners need this so much, to hold your yarn. Put it in here. It helps you to hold the yarn as you're working. like this. It helps you to hold the yarn. You see this? That. So all these items come in a plastic box, which is this. It came in a plastic box, which was this. You see it properly. And I got this from Jumia. In case you need them, you can get them on Jumia. Thank you.